Hello and welcome to another one of D's ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at the concept of area between two curves. Whether the two curves are separate and arbitrarily have some x values chosen for them, like this scenario here, where we're looking at x equals 1, x equals 10, whatever these two functions are. The larger numbers b always, the smallest is a, or if we have two intersection points like this one. We can find an area for all those scenarios. Sometimes they'll get sneaky on us, and they'll give us three intersection points in which we have two regions. Oops, let's undo that. Okay, so how do we actually find this area that exists between all these curves that we just looked at? Well, here's the concept. The concept states that you want to find out what once you find these intersection points, the top function is, and subtract it from the bottom function. Okay, so how do we find those tops and bottoms? Well, we could either graph, or my preferred way of doing it is you might not remember what every graph of every function is, so just set them equal to each other. And once you do that, you find the intersection points, which is something you're going to need to do anyway, unless they're given. And then you're going to plug in a test point in between those two intersection points. Okay. And if you plug them into both functions, the largest answer is the top function, and therefore will come first in your integral top minus bottom. Okay. So sometimes there might be more than one region. You'll know this because you'll have more than two intersection points. So you're going to have to use multiple test points for that scenario. Okay. So here are the steps. Sorry. This is a math video, not a grammar video. So you're going to set the functions equal to each other, get the intersection points. After that, you're going to determine which one's on top, and I just went over that scenario of how to do it, either graphing or the test points. And then you're going to plug into the top minus bottom function, dx, dt, whatever we're integrating with respect to. And then you integrate, and then you plug in your bounds, and then you're done. You found the area. So it's not too bad. The trickiest part usually for most people, if it's not given, is finding the intersection points, which is algebra, and then test points, which is more just plugging in. There's no calculus involved there. So once you get that and figure out which one's on top and which one's on bottom, then it's just a matter of plugging into the formula. All right? So make sure you check out the practice video associated with area between two curves, and make sure you do the practice problems also associated. That's the most crucial part, is practice, 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 as I keep repeating and repeating and repeating. So I hope this has clarified any doubts you might have over the concept of area between two curves. And thank you, and have a nice day.